In this lesson, you will learn about components. The first rule of Autodesk Fusion is to create a new component. Components are critical for your Autodesk Fusion success, and you have many reasons to use them. I like to think about components as containers for information. Within one component, you can save information such as bodies, sketches, construction geometry, decals, and other components. Components are great both for organizing your work and for reusing designs. Components are necessary to use when you create assemblies or work with moving parts. Each component has its own timeline, origin, and coordinate system. And unlike bodies, components will show up in parts list when you work with manufacturing. You can copy and paste components and automatically update the copied components when you change the original. We'll go on and create a new component for now, and then we'll get more reasons to see components in action later when we work with the first project. Here are 6 different ways to create your new component. You can choose New Component from the Assemble drop-down menu, from the Create drop-down menu, by right-clicking a body and creating components from bodies, by right-clicking the browser, by searching for a new component after activating Autodesk Fusion Design shortcuts with keyboard shortcut S, or by selecting New Component from the operational drop-down menu during an active command. A menu appears when you make your selection. Sheet metal components are for sheet metal designs. For other cases, a standard component is fine. An external component, an XREF, is created in a separate file and referenced into your assembly in your current design. This is a classic bottom-up design approach and has benefits when you want to reuse components or collaborate with colleagues on complex designs. An internal component is created within your current design and is typically used for the top-down design approach where you create your assembly inside your model. From bodies is used when you want to create a design from an existing body. The parent component is the activated component on the hierarchical level above your new component. This is useful when you create components within components. Leave Activate checked if you want to activate your component and work within it right away after creating it. This is often the case, but not always. You can create your component with the suggested name and press OK. A good name will make things easier for you if your design file contains a lot of information. Your new component appears in the project browser. The key takeaway from this lesson is to organize your work within components. Let's look at the next essential tool and create a sketch in the next lesson. Thank you.